Hello everybody friends, we have today a phone that doesn't take the charge anymore, so instead of replacing the micro USB port here, we did find something else on the internet, and we're gonna try and fix this phone. This is a Smart Prime 6, and we're gonna open it up, bring in the replacement part and try to do it. I never done it before on this kind of phone or similar one, on older one, yeah. And we will see if we're gonna be able to repair it or not. Without no skills, who knows, man. Alright, so let's proceed. Still, if you wanna check my previous videos, how I did make this camera slider / rail, here you go. You got the steps on Instructable and on my previous video as well. You got rail and camera slider. Alright, so let's get back to repairing the phone. Alright friends, so now we are ready to disassemble this phone, and maybe we're gonna fix this non-charging problem. Also, I do have this handy tool that should, help you open the phones and not scratch it, or you can use your fingers as well. Alright, so we have removed the cover. Now on this side, normally it was having a sticker like this one, Vodafone VF895, and so we're gonna leave this one on because we're gonna need it to remove the cover afterwards. Alright, now we're gonna proceed by taking the screws out, but first we're gonna put this something underneath here. It can be an old t-shirt or an old cloth or whatever you have to not scratch the thing when we're gonna remove the screws. So this one we're gonna proceed all sides with the screws. We're gonna put them in place. We should have a magnet normally when we are doing this one, but for the purpose of doing this one first, we skip that process. Alright, so removing all the screws, wherever you're gonna find them, should be plenty of them. We have removed already 8 screws and we have 4 more to go. Alright, so we have done it. We have removed all the screws. It was 12 screws in total. Now let's see how we're gonna manage to open this case thingy. I'm guessing it's gonna be this. Yeah. So you see now this tool is gonna be handy, because this one is going to be very difficult to remove it with your fingers and stuff. So go all along. You can see it clip. So we're going to move the tools all sides till we're going to hear the clipping sound. As you can see here, we have managed to remove a little bit. We're going to go this side. This phone have never been opened, so there is some dirt inside it. We should remove the card first. Wait. Damn it. We should remove the card and the SIM first, so there you have it, a step that you have to do it. Alright, so we go all the way and we can hear and feel actually the clips. I say punk, don't be scared about this sound. Now normally this thingy sound is bad, but in our case should be something good. Alrighty then, we have managed to poke the thing. Something is still holding. Something is still holding on this side. What could that be? Let me get back to you. Alright, we have managed to open the thing. As you can see here. What the fuck? So antenna is gonna go here and there. Guessing. And it's got this connector here. I'm guessing. We're gonna disconnect this thing. Here you go. We have disconnected the battery. We have the antenna, which we have. I'm guessing this one and that one, like so. We will see afterwards. Alright, so I have the battery. Doesn't say nothing. 2500 milliamps. LGN something. Manufacture date 2016. Here you go. Okay. And now this is the board that we're gonna change. So we will see how this one is held on place. Guessing it's just this thingy. That's it. And what else? How the thing? I'm seeing something over here. Let me get back to you. Alright, so apparently we just have to poke around this this thingy, going all the sides. You know, I'm gonna start from here. There we go. And we're gonna gently remove the thing. It's just holding in place. It's got a mic as well. There you go. You see, this is the old one that isn't. That's why. Here you go, friends. I don't know if you can see it. Let me zoom up to you. You see, this is why the reason, you know, this phone wasn't holding a charge anymore, because all these pins was broken. But we didn't choose to solder the micro USB because from what I saw, you know, all lads, you know, needed heat soldering iron, which we don't have, so that's why we did choose to replace all the boards. Yeah, so all right, let's bring the new one and start doing it. All right, now we have the spare replacement parts, as you can see here, delivery, and this is the new part in the box, you know. So we're gonna open it up. This thing is the same thingy. Let's check it. It could be a refurbishment. It's kind of bent a little bit. Oh, for fuck's sake, man. Doesn't have the mic. Bastards. Fucking bastards. Fucking shit. You see, that's why it came out too fast. Here you go. Doesn't have the mic. The rest is alright, but the mic is a must, you know, so they don't have it. I think I can try to replace the mic from here to there, but who knows what else is broken on this shit. Bastards, man. Fucking bastards. Either way, as I told you, know, this one, the original one, is too small, so our job is gonna be too tedious to do it. So I think I'm gonna try to take the mic from here and solder it on the new board. Fucking bastards. Horrible. Alright, so let's try to remove the mic. Oh fuck, it's welded in place. Alright, so we have the mic kinda removed from here. Let's put our soldering iron to the test and we're gonna put it on the other side. Bastards. Alright, so we're gonna remove this thingy. Bastards, man. Fucking horrible human beings. Alright, so red is gonna be on this side. Red. Blue. Alright, red on top. Remember that one, lads. Red on the top. Fucking nopeds. Yeah, so from a small repairing stuff, an easy one, we end up with soldering and doing all sorts of no skills required improvisation things. Yeah, so you have to be prepared for everything. Everything in life, you never know. Fucking nopeds from eBay, man. That's why I choose Amazon. That's why Amazon is the best, man. If it's gonna be something like that on Amazon, you can get your money back straight away. But on eBay is a noped bastard, so nobody gives a shit. But who knows, maybe it's gonna work, and then we're gonna stop moaning. But till then, we have to get rid of this tiny thingy there. Fucking hell. You cannot make them smaller than this, man. Fucking nopeds. Let's double check the things. These connections are small as fuck. That should be alright. Fucking bastards. Assuming the rest of the stuff is gonna work, so never know. Alright, let's put the thing back in place. How the fuck it was? It was like so. Yeah. So at least it's fitting. Fucking bastards. Let's put this tiny thing back in place. Right then, so we have removed this one. We're gonna put the battery back. This one is alright, this one is good. Stuff, yeah. Shut up, you fucking noped. So how the fuck this one is gonna... Why? Alright friends, we have put back the thingy. We have put the antenna back from here to here, as you can see it. And now it's time to put this one back. It's time now to align that thingy on the back, and fingers crossed and hope for the best. Alright, so we're putting the thing back in place. Yeah, all the sides. It's kind of bulky in here, but this one I don't know if we managed to put that thing on place right. Camera is kind of tilt. Fuck! I have only one concern about this stuff now, the aligning the camera to the slot there. I tried to put it, but the cable is too thin. So we're gonna put back the cables, and then we're gonna give it a go to see if it's gonna work. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm gonna put the screws back, and fingers crossed. Alright, let's put the cover back in like new. Alright, and let's try to give it a go. We got the USB here. Let's plug it in. The fuck is like so. As you can see here, the LED is running. It shows here, but because it didn't was power for a while, I'm gonna try to power it straight away. Let me see if it's gonna start. Come on, friend. Start, man. Maybe we're gonna leave it for a while then. There you go, friends. Started. It took a while. This started to flash and shit, you know, but apparently, here you go. And so yeah, the port is working apparently, and we will see after further test and shit, you know. So we have managed to replace the port. We have bypassed the USB thing, and we had to replace the mic from one phone to another. Now we have to test it to see if the camera is doing alright and all the functions, the mic is working. And that's it. Not that easy, not that cheap, but still a fix for your phone. Just in case you're gonna have this kind of problem, just search your phone on the internet, buy the spare parts, apparently a genuine one, not a fucking refurbished one like this one, and replace your USB port. And that should be it. Thanks all for watching. Let me know, thumbs up, subscribe, and see you on the next one. Yeah.